Scene script. Ever found yourself scratching your head at the end of the month, wondering where all your money disappeared to? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their finances effectively. But what if there was a way to visually track your spending and prevent overspending in certain categories? Enter the envelope system, an age-old method that's about to become your new best friend in budgeting. Picture this. You've just received your paycheck. Instead of directly swiping your card for every expense, imagine physically allocating money to different categories. Yes, that's right. The envelope system is all about tangibility. It's about holding your hard-earned money in your hands and consciously deciding where it should go. Step 1 is to identify your spending categories. These could range from groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment, health, and so forth. It's important to be realistic here and include all areas where your money usually goes. The second step is to decide how much money goes into each of these categories. This is where your budgeting skills come into play. Based on your income and necessary expenses, determine an amount for each category. Remember, the goal is to stay within these limits. Now, it's time to bring out those envelopes. Label each envelope with a category. That's step 3. This makes it easier for you to keep track of your spending in each category. The fourth step is where the magic happens. Distribute your income into these envelopes as per the amounts decided. For instance, if you've allocated $200 to groceries for the month, put that exact amount in your groceries envelope. The envelope system is not just about managing your present finances, but also preparing for the future. For instance, if you know you have to pay taxes next year in April, start an envelope for that too. Allocate a certain amount every month to this envelope, and by the time tax season rolls around, you'll be ready. In summary, the envelope system is a hands-on visual way of managing your finances. It involves identifying your spending categories, allocating money to each category, labeling envelopes with these categories, and distributing your income into these envelopes. It's a system that promotes mindful spending and helps prevent overspending. It's a tool that could potentially transform your financial life, making budgeting less of a chore and more of a habit. So why not give it a try? The control of your financial future could be just an envelope away.